Hi everybody, so today in this video we are going to be doing something exciting. I've just set my camera up like this because I can. So it's the contents of this box, which I believe to be my April Fool's top of the morning scented candle. Now it is coffee scented. I love coffee. Coffee scented things are my jam, and yeah, I'm really excited about this. I have been waiting not that long actually. This is like the quickest of the top of the morning orders that I've made to arrive, so it's all good. So yeah, another thing, I changed my hair. As you can see, I dyed the pink again, but I got some of the purple stuck in it and it kind of, the ends went purple. I'm not mad. And then this went from purple to blue. Again, I ain't mad. When it's down, like I've got it tied back at the minute, but when it's down, it looks like Asuka from the WWE. I'm not even joking, like, because it's the same length and everything. It looks really similar. But I'm going to open this up now. Should I maybe do it on camera? That would be smart. Where's my address so that I'm not getting it on the camera? There we go. Don't want to get my address out there. Okay. Just my luck if this ended up being like broken or something. It's literally just chucked in here. So if this is broken, I'm not going to be happy. Okay, so there's one of these in here. I can't remember what these are for. But it does say top of the morning on it. That's really cool. I like that a lot. But again, I'm not really sure what this is to do. I've never had one of these before. Why is this being really weird? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I don't really know what these are for, but I have one that says top of the morning on it, so I'm happy. And then a candle. This cost me far too much money. Oh, I know what it's for. Okay, so it's to open the actual candle, because it's one of these. Yeah, this cost me a fortune, and well, not really a fortune, as long as it's good. I don't mind paying it if it's good. But someone I know who's in America didn't pay that much less shipping than I did to the UK, which is weird. But yeah, here it is. The top of the morning coffee scented candle. Coffee scented candle you light on fire. So yeah, for anyone who doesn't know, by the way, this is Jacksepticeye's coffee company. He owns a coffee company, and I have literally bought the coffee, what have I ordered? The coffee, the mugs, both of the mugs that were available, the hot chocolates. The only thing I didn't get are the cold brew, simply because the shipping to the UK is extortionate. Like, it costs more money for the item to be shipped to the UK than it actually did for the item. So, yeah, I'm not doing that. So, top of the morning scented candle. I'm down. Never leave a burning candle unattended. Disclaimer. You can drink too much coffee, and because of how alluring top of the morning dirty earth beans are, you can now light a top of the morning scented candle when you feel the need to satisfy those tempting coffee desires. Does not contain caffeine. Do not ingest. Not responsible for burnt hands or nose hairs. Trim that wick so sparks don't fly. So I love the fact that these have like little quips on them that are like so Jacksepticeye. So they actually changed the logo on this as well, like to a candle instead of the usual coffee cup. So it's coffee scented candle you can light on fire. So let's go. I'm gonna open it with my little tool. Okay. Oh my god, I can smell it already. Oh my god. That is strong. Oh my god. It's like, okay, I know that this was like an April Fool's joke, but this smells really good. It's like, it's not coffee. It's like, it smells like lemon sherbet mixed with coffee. Now that doesn't sound nice, I do know that. But that is exactly what it smells like to me. Lemon sherbet mixed with coffee. That smells incredible. Okay. So it has one of these kind of wicks. And I think these are the ones that generally burn really nicely. Shall I trim the wick and light it on fire, as it says to do on the tin? Ugh. Trimming wick. Oh, that's flown off somewhere. Okay. Always got to trim the wick on these. Anyone who knows me knows that I love candles. Like, candles are some of my favourite things in the world, and I have too many of them. I have a match. So, we are lighting things on fire. If it will light. There we go. Ooh, smoky. Yes, it is. Oh my god. Nice. Put that on there for now. It's not the most crackly of scent. I look like I'm just in church or something. It's not the most crackly of wick, but I don't know if you can hear it. You can't. It's very, very subtle. You know how you get the kind of wood wick candles that this is going out because I'm breathing on it. But it smells incredible. It's already, the wax is already burning. That's pretty good. The wick has already gone out. That's probably down to me more than the actual candle. But, oh, that candle. It's really good. It really does smell, I swear to God, like lemon and coffee, which is not a mix that I would think would smell nice, but dear God, that smells so good. Yeah. Top of the morning coffee candle. Oh no, it's got a dent in it. Oh no. But yeah. There it is. This was only available for one day, so I kind of knew I had to buy one because, you know, I love candles, I love coffee, I love Jacksepticeye as a content creator, and yeah, I'm a big fan of his work and his soy wax candle. So, yeah. Apparently that's supposed to burn for 60 hours. This little candle, 60 hours. If it does actually hit 60 hours, I will be very, very happy. So yeah, that is everything for today. It's just a really quick one that I'm literally filming on my phone camera. But yeah, I also have this, which I've been using to light myself. This was actually sent to me by a company from Thomason. I don't know what the brand is. But yeah, they sent it to me and it's actually really nice. It's supposed to be like a clip thing, but I kind of have a makeshift setup right now where my camera is literally sitting on top of my gaming chair. And yeah, it is what it is. So that is it. I'm going to try and make more videos over the next few days. I'm back at work now, and yeah, I've felt it's typical of me. Go back to work, then feel incredibly sick. Like on my third day of working, I had to go home from work on like my third day. It was ridiculous, but over lockdown, like my headaches have been getting worse and worse. and I don't really know what it is. I thought it was my vision, my sight or whatever, but yeah, I went to get my contact lenses, my prescription looked at, and there was literally no change in it. Like, they said that I could get away with wearing my other glasses, but my other glasses are literally like 11 years old. So I got these ones. These are like, I can't remember what they're called, Claudia from Specsavers. They're really nice. I like them. They're pink here, and then they're black, and then they fade to pink again. I have some other ones which are called Oceania, I think. They're like teal, and they fade to black. They're really nice as well. I think I actually prefer those ones, but I'm wearing these ones now. The other ones are downstairs. So, yeah, I don't know what the headaches deal is, but yeah, I usually get them like more towards my time of the month, and it's not near my time of the month yet, so I don't know what it is. But usually it's just like neck ache. Like, it's like a tension headache. Like, it's in my neck, and then it's all around here, and then it comes over here. And like, if I talk, it, like, I don't know, it's really weird. Like, the pressure, and like sometimes I actually have to wince when I'm talking, which is really stupid. I'm sure it looks really stupid, but like, if I'm talking and it comes, like, I have to wince, and it's I don't know what it is. It's stupid. I know it's really, really weird, and I probably should go and check it out and get it checked out. I know. But yeah, I've always had like quite bad headaches and stuff, but it has been getting kind of worse. But yes. I don't know why I've got off on this whole tangent kind of thing. Sorry, I'm wearing a dress today, and it's kind of like going out everywhere. But yeah, I'm rambling on, and I don't know why. So I'm gonna end it here. I kind of like this camera angle. I don't know why. I find that if I put some nice things in the background, I have like a lightning bolt neon sign here, and I have LED lights over here, and I have Evie here. I think if I put some nicer stuff in the background, maybe this will be an okay setup. I don't know. Anyway, that's enough for today. I am gonna get going now and burn my top of the morning candle. So thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe if you like these kind of more just yabbering on kind of videos, and I will do them whenever. Yeah. So anyway, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.